Testing. Testing, testing. There we go. Is it working now? Sorry. Sorry about that. Thanks, Rip. Thanks for pointing that out. Okay, so I don't know why it does that. Sometimes it just has a mini meltdown. But anyways, damn. Why didn't it do this earlier when I was... Oh well, it's fine. So can I just say Bob level to Bob level? Literally. Let's do this, Rip. I'm so ready. I am so ready. We got this. Oh, next, and you're so sweet. Thank you. Can I teach you? No, sorry. Only to trader. What? Oishi? Yo. Yay. Okay. Then we are ready. Sorry, I'm making sure I've gotten everything sorted. I was uploading a video and I lost track of time. That's my bad. That's my B. But we're ready to go. Hey, Sosa, what's up? Are we ready for FOMC trading today? Well, I say today. Like I haven't already traded today. Or my version of today. I know some people I have not traded today. That can go there. Okay. No, I did that one. Oh, I did both of them. Did I pin this one? I did not. There we go. Now it's pinned. Sorted. Sorted. Last thing. Sorry, can you see I'm trying to do multiple things. Whee. Dun dun dun. Done rare. Are you big profit? Is this crypto? No, this is the Nasdaq futures. What up? How's it going? Hussein? Hussein. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so let us start with marking out London high. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. There we go. Zoom in so we don't make a mistake. London high, awesome sauce. Then, I mean, London low. Wow, today was nice. Well, especially after I freaking left, naturally. I say that. I had a winning trade this morning. I don't know why I'm being a little sour goat over here. Dr. Guest, do I trade gold futures as well? I've tried. I've given gold a try. But then, you know, naturally the days I looked at gold was kind of consolidating and MNQ was going amazing, and vice versa. So I eventually just thought, okay, let me just stick with one asset for now. Let's be profitable in one asset and then I can start jumping around. Rip, that short I took was fun in London. I can't imagine. Where was your TP? Was it down at London low or did you get out a little bit earlier by like the Geordie level? You do one-on-one trade? No, so Snipe, I'm still a beginner myself. So I am not qualified to be teaching anything just yet. Today, I'm assuming you're trying to say Fed rate. Yes. It is the Fed rate today. Do I have a group? Kind of. I have a Discord. Oh, that's what I forgot to do. I forgot to update, sorry. I don't think the Discord link that's in the description will work. So if you are new and you want to join the community, here you go. This is the Discord link you can use. And you're more than welcome to ask any and all questions there. I can guarantee there's someone who's been trading for a long time that's more than happy to answer questions. And I mean, like I said, I'm not an expert. Hey Jules, welcome. How you doing? I missed at the low. It took 95% of that drop. Rip, are you not like done for the day? Am I profitable? No, I'm not. I own myself, so I understand. Damn, Snipe, but that's cool. How long ago did you start? Yeah, how long ago did you start? Hey, no, how are you doing? Welcome. People who are trying hard to earn money, why don't they go in? No, that seems a bit meh, but anyways, 2K from Asia session in Q today. Whoop whoop, more, and that is amazing. Also, Rip, you lucky duck, you. I'm just saying, Rip, did you see the tattoos? Did you see how I only put a silly goose in there? Not a lucky duck, because I'm not a lucky duck yet. Can't give myself the lucky duck symbol if I'm not a lucky duck yet, right? That's just cheeky. Fruity? Thanks. Believe I shall call it a day and skip FOMC. I mean, Mon, stop while you're ahead, right? Don't lose all that hard, well-deserved green that you've made for the day. Rip doing nothing in New York. I'm just gonna make coffee and, you know, judge me, right? Was that what that ... was? Yeah, thought so. I mean, let's see what today brings. I'm a little bit in the green. Not as nice as you guys, but green is green. Awesome, we should be friends and share our experiences in trading. Absolutely, Unknown. I am so keen to do that. Unknown, if you want. Here we go. You can also join the Discord. Marty, Bitcoin is scam. Oh, some people argue with that. Argue with you on that one. There we go. English found. Nailed it. Past Apex need wait for a new account. Hey, Bobsy. Wait, what's happening with Chopstep, by the way? How was your break? Ah, Jules, you know what? It's always good. It's always good to go touch some grass, chill, go out into the fresh air. But yeah, it's always amazing. How was yours, Jules? Did you even take a break? Rip, I actually said it before you hopped online yesterday. Believe it or not, and I even said you're going to be proud of me. It went to the new weekly opening gap. I did say that. I did even call it. So I was like, ee, look at me go. And then I did ask, I think you didn't hear me. I asked twice about if it's gone past the new weekly opening gap, does it go back? But I mean, yesterday kind of answered that question for me. It does indeed go back to tap into that new weekly opening gap, even if it's filled it already. Are there AI tools to predict the market? Marty, I think they are. I don't use them though, but I think there is some, right? Hey yo, Bob, how are you? And David G, what's up? Nothing in New York, brother. That's the cleanest bull entry before New York bell opening. Mr. Night Scribe? I only trade the open. I've already traded today. Like I said, I'm already in the green. So I'm just going with whatever. Can I just say, Bob, these levels are, I'm going to say redonkulous because I feel like that's necessary. These levels are redonkulous. What is this even? What the heck, man? I mean, it's just bouncing between these two levels at the moment, but still really, really cool. Yep, I did. It was nice. Oh, amazing, Jules. It's good to take a breather now and then. Better not get back to... Obviously, that's a bit ridiculous. Hey, Boom! What's up? How you doing? Boom Banana, did you see I specifically posted my leg tattoo on Discord for you? I'm just saying. Australia, yes, I am from South Africa. Tired. Guzzling this first cup of coffee. Nice, Bob. Relatable. Wow, I'm so sad today. What's wrong, Wow? What happened? Why is Wow upset? Short in London, not required to do nothing. There we go, rip. We're taking New York lows, that's the Daily Mail. Literally repeating same move as yesterday. Everything great here in Honduras. Just having breakfast, 8:30 a.m. Good coffee. Oh. Part of me is a little bit jealous. I could do with coffee, but in the oh, it's hop past, guys. Wow, I've been. Oh, I did hop on late. I was about to say, what? I did hop on late. My bad. Checking out London low. There's London high. There's a bob level. So Morn, you think it's gonna come and take out this New York low? Yeah, I'm here for the yes, Rippers, and I swear he wants to try your favorite creator banned you. Why? What happened? Wow. Damn, that's rough. Anyways. What did I want to say? I think Ripper's here to try and see if he can do a redo of this morning, which is cheeky. I did see the little snips that you made. I'm gonna have to make a short about all the chaos that happened this morning. It was ridiculous. Honestly, do I speak Afrikaans? Not very well. I can understand Afrikaans, I can read Afrikaans. Want Afrikaans ek praat, you know, not the best. Okay, let's mark out 9:30 a.m. open. It's here. Let's create our 9:30 a.m. range, which is here. There. Got a little bit excited with that one. Did I? There. Okay. And now wait for first presented as well. Let's see if it pops up. Down, down, down we go. Where's everyone that was yelling it was going to be a buy here, just by the way? Did I or did I not say it's going to be sells? Sorry, I'm a little bit proud of myself for calling that. It would have screwed me before it went down. But still. Okay, London low officially taken. Nice and quick. Still no first presented. Oh, I have not checked the higher time frames yet. I'm gonna have to go check the higher time frames in a mo. It doesn't look like much else has happened. This is purely for my curiosity. This is yesterday's first presented, by the way. If no one knows what I'm talking about, it's the first presented fair value gap. Sorry. Hey, Kids Fishing, what's up? How are you doing? Bob, I think so. Is this the correct one here? At around 25540. I'm in short. Hey, thanks, Jules. You're so sweet. Thank you. No. Can we work? Hey, Luna, I can see you now. What's up? How you doing? 9:10 a.m. was first presented. 9:10 a.m. More isn't New York Open only 9:30 a.m. Jules, you're switching? Hey, Natik, what's up? Oh, Luna, I didn't even see your message. What's up? What are you asking? Abraham, good afternoon to you. How are you doing? I guess it's good morning to you. In South Africa, it's afternoon. Itchy. You're on 1 minute. You're looking for first presented on 1 hour. Ah, more, but you see, I use the first presented of the 1 minute. D-Smash? Welcome. What's up? How you doing? Daily first presenter is going to take a long time for that. Rip, what you want to see if you are bullish? Taking out the highs. It's relative equal highs. Or at least, sorry, closing above the 9:30 a.m. range. Tapped into yesterday's first presented. Is it gonna respect it? Nope. Wait, let's see. Let me not talk just yet. Damn, even if I was trading today, I have literally no bias. Got both SMT at the highs, SMT at lows. We just straight up stuck in 4-hour range. Trade SMC strategy. I use some SMC confluences. Hey, Rip, see, I'm learning. Whoop, first presented. Wow, no, it did not respect this at all. Okay, I'm gonna keep it here again, kind of curiosity's sake. But holy smokes. Okay, here's the first presented on the 1 minute. Then more, better, yeah. That is a massive first presented on the 1 minute. Damn. Is anyone on ES right now? What is happening? FOMC days are fun. FOMC days are so much fun. But Morn, here's that New York low you were talking about. Going literally straight for it. I feel like this move's already been done though. Oh, I also drew the first presented before it was even finished. Like chop. Okay, let's see if it respects this. I don't hate the entry, but I don't love it either. Purely just because of the volatility. How big is this? I mean, it's not terrible. Do like one contract and me. It's not that one. What do you mean? I'm gonna check now. One. D-Smash, I'm great. I think today is an interesting meet. I mean, kind of waiting for 2 o'clock. That makes sense. My cells are deep since this morning. Oh, Mr. K, that is amazing. Well done. You did call it this morning. You did. I remember you did. Took the short though, just because. Whoa. Okay. Isn't this at the same... Well, I guess similar. Don't do it. I was gonna say, if I really wanted to be cheeky, what time is it? 8 past. If I really want to be cheeky, I could have this as a stop sell. And enter on its way down, but let's maybe not be too cheeky. Do I think interest rates will get cut? I don't trade crypto. Sorry, D-Smash. Who does trade crypto, and do you think interest rates will be cut? Post in Discord, not making coffee. Damn, rip. Look for inducement and wait for confirmation. One. You'd re-enter, you think we're gonna make... I mean, I could do like 2 contracts. It feels cheeky though. But there we go. Maybe that was actually dumb of me. Oh, I did the wrong thing. Leave it alone. It's too late. Diamond hand. Yeah, I don't think either. D smash. Interesting. FOMC, we're going down, Mr. K. It's just if it takes out my stop loss first. Made the mistake of entering right by the freaking my first presented. Rip, it's fine, nice seeing you engaging. Thanks, Rip. Like I said, I did also only place 2 contracts, which is way less than I'm supposed to, purely because of the volatility. But maybe that's being cheeky. It is what it is. But we're in this. I'm trying to be more bold. Either it's a good idea or a bad idea, but I'm trying to be more bold with taking my setups. Jules, you're now in for a long, damn it. Let the baby ride down to 540. Yes. My stop loss is on low risk entry due to swing. Morn, is that a good thing or a bad thing? That was a lot to read. Just let it chill. Oh, cool. Gambling in market, if you say so. Oh, Jules, thank you. We're not each other's liquidity right now, out of curiosity, kind of. Power trades, how? Yeah, Bob. Uh-oh, indeed. I was also just going oopsies. Am I the same? That works for the who now? Satyam, who? Hold yourselves, definitely, Mr. K. Oh gosh. I feel like this might wick me out before going back down, which will suck. Hit that resistance level on ES. Come on, go back down. Come on, go back down. Come on, go back down. No. Shoot. Damn it. Oh well. Close, please. Close. Aw, okay. I did say I made this mistake. Sugar honey iced tea. I went completely against what I was supposed to do. It would have been a win doing the other way around. That's my bad. That is my bad. This would have been the perfect trade. Using it the other way around. Oopsies. Oh well. It happens. Para, buy at 0.5 level. I mean, Para, like I said, made the mistake. That way. Was supposed to be that way. It is what it is. You live and you learn. Oh, thanks, Rip. Appreciate it. There's those gaps you have. Them huge babies. Love. Yep. Yep. Entry is always important. You had to enter this morning. I mean, Mr. Cat did technically enter this morning. Just saying. I feel like it did literally wick. See, now my goose brain says just enter again. I don't know if that is proper goose brain. You made a choice in my eyes. Oh, thank you, Jules. I appreciate it. Okay, let's see if it closes above the range. Let's just pause for a minute. Heyo, Don, what's up? You're in a long now? Nice. I'll do it once a high gets made. What? No. What am I thinking? What am I thinking? Went short on Solana printing at the moment. Oh, nice, D-Smash. Hey, Thurble. What's up? SMCing on that relative lows. Yep, exactly. So wait for it to break out of the range properly. And then we can go from there. How disappointing. Oh well. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Learn for next time. Like I said, at least we're taking things today. What a big sigh for freeloader. Shush. It'll show you if it accepts higher price. True. Sir Bull, you don't think there's any volume today? There's some volume. This does look a little bit chaotic, doesn't it? Yeah, it's fine. It'll be fine. Not yet. I'm waiting for pullback to zone 25, 620, 625. Okay, before you go for a long. Maybe this is New York reversal. So Jules, you're still in this? Where's your TP at, Jules? Mr. K, be careful of your longs. Well, like I said, I'm not really looking for longs. I was actually looking for shorts, but maybe that was the problem. Maybe I should have looked for longs, but like I said, I had it. I stuck with it. It is what it is. Bob, I really like this long back up to that level. I find it so interesting how there's so many different variations of what we think is gonna happen today. Dumb, yeah, I took long there. Okay, nice. Like I said, this would have been the perfect entry for a long, but it is what it is. No point crying over spilt milk. At least I took it. I'm trying to be positive. Me personally, this is your low risk entry. Of a short here. I'm trading an NC getting that morning activity. Make close to stay safe while I work the job. I mean, D-Smash, that's not a bad idea. Looks like your setup is coming down. Are you asking if I'm looking for shorts? Kids fishing? Because the answer to that is yes. I'm just waiting for confirmation. It has not closed above the 930 properly yet. Oh, sorry, I forgot to speak. I was just deep in thought for a moment. Next enter now for a long. I'm about to get cooked on BDRX. Ooh, kid fishing. Why? What happened? The entry is there. The down entry, Morn? For the short? Mullah, you're long at the order block. And Dom, you're going long. Wow, I see we are basically 50-50 right now. Morn says short. This is literally 50-50 with what everyone thinks is gonna happen. I mean, there it would have tapped in. Let's see what happens here, Morn. This might still be going up, by the way. Jules, long. Looks like it's gonna get bounced there, then big drop to low. Ah, D-Smash, thank you, I appreciate it. And Mullah is targeting London. Okay, out of curiosity, I'm waiting for this to calm down. Out of curiosity, this is getting the better of me. I'm gonna start a poll asking which buy, well, if you're doing bullish bias. Just say yes or no. Let's see. Because I'm curious. Pool time? Rip, are you about to hop in the pool? I'm a little more interested in day trading as I am in catching you. Like, oh, Chad, that's so sweet. Thank you. Listen, there's a lot going on here, to be fair. Shoot, would have been goodie. Do I re-enter? It's too late. Do I re-enter short? I think it's too late, but... See, now I just feel like I'm chasing, actually. So maybe I need to just take a step back. Tapped into first presented again. Bouncing off of it. I want to see what happens here. We're both gonna hop in the pool. Only one can be right, but so far 100% win rate. It's literally a 50-50, by the way, with the bull and the bears. Rip, I see what you tried to do there, by the way. Nice try. Kid fishing, it's going to that lower low. Still respecting that first presented. Squid Marie? Volume's low, you might see more downside. Take it, you can wait for now. Not touch my zone and go up. Right, so you work at a hedge fund? The liquidity pool. Oh, there we go, Rip. Yep, indeed. This is literally a 50-50 split with buyers. This is ridiculous. Not gonna lie, I have such a nice 500 entry on. Why didn't you take it then, only true trader? Where your liquidity is, where it's bouncing, imbalance is down. Damn. Can I just mark it in? No, don't do that. Get in long on bottom. I don't trade FOMC. I know only true trader. Good. Kids fishing. Bingo. Bingo. And bingo was his name. Are we frustrated? I don't know. I'm trying to decide. I have a very bias, but that's because we're overvalued on the day and also below the day's open. Hey Adrian, what's up? How you doing? Oopsies. Oh no, what did I do? Oh, I closed my multi-chat. I'm so sorry. That was a silly goose thing to do. I apologize. Expect 10 to retest though, highs, and sweep liquidity for the melt on the lows. Okay, we got 2 minutes till 10. So you're saying it might bounce back up. Makes sense. It's right by this order block and it's stuck in the first presented. Adrian, just watching the markets, although later on I have to get out of my trades because FOMC. Yes, I can imagine. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to watch it. Yeah, well. Karate Chicken Shop. Good luck today. Thank you, thank you. By the way, for those of you that are new, oopsie, I forgot to tell you. Do I know Candace? Who's Candace? No, I don't. I got some L from S&P. Oh, no, don't worry. I also had a loss, but I'm still in the green by $14. Yes, I said $14. Moving on. Pointers. Gosh, this is just a mess right now, isn't this? This is chaotic. Okay, let me delete things. Let's find ourselves again. Has not closed above 9:30, so still not really interested in looking for longs. Good day. Zoom in, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Muller, one loss. Oh, don't worry. Me too. It is what it is. Oh, I didn't even mark my one loss. I'm sorry. I should probably mark it. You guys can see what happened. Twas my trade. I did go against some of my rules, which is bad, Maya, but you know, things happen. Go. Still kind of respecting this first presented, just saying. Okay, now I can delete this. And I'm gonna sit on my hands a little bit. Let's wait for some more confirmation for me. Yep, they'll just play with long short. That kind of sucks. Put a hand around the bottom, then downward trend if it breaks that bottom. Do you smash? Seriously, why is Ethan? What did Ethan do? Oh, D-Smash, don't worry. That's pretty normal. That's pretty standard for you. You get used to it. Hey, Green Globe Explorations. What up? Crypto Daniel, hi. I apologize if I missed any messages, by the way. I am very, very sorry. I feel like I missed some. I do apologize. Delta negative 1.5, take the next. It will take the low next. Crypto Daniel, this sounds interesting. Eric, not an exchange pair, trading the Nasdaq futures. Hi, by the way, how you doing? One, two. Unfortunately, only 2 confluences for this trade, so don't love it. How many did I have for that trade? I did have 1. Oh, I did also have the shelves. Naturally, it's going to be a winning trade because I didn't take it. Naturally. But that's fine. I wanted to say something and I forgot. Expect lows to be taken. Yep. Green clubs, yeah, I had a little loss, unfortunately. Oh well, stuff happens. I had a win this morning and a little loss now. You guys can check out while I wait for this to make up its mind. Here's my win this morning. I did not take that trade. This was this morning. And give me 2 seconds. BRB. And this was obviously now for the open. Maybe I jumped in too soon. That's the distribution phase. You can always go for the reversal that happens on the SMT on the lows. True. Eric, I believe it's MNQ. Show top left. Oh, thanks, Adrian. Thank you, thank you. Adrian Chong, how long have you been... Yeah, how long have you been trading for? Also, what's your thing? Might be a weird thing to ask, but you know, what's your cup of tea when it comes to trading? You Nasdaq, you crypto, pairs, what's your thing? Corinne, can I earn money by trading? You can, but it's going to take a while. Don't expect it to be quick and easy. Right now, I'm manipulating. I don't have the experience or courage to live trade. I've been told I have a face for it. Oh! D-Smash, that's so rude. Who told you that? And trading, losing is part of the game. Exactly, Rajesh. That's exactly it. That's why I no longer... Yeah, I no longer care that... No. Like, you care a little bit because obviously you don't want losses, but it's not I want to bash my head against a table type of emotional thing about it. It's always a lesson learned. Lesson learned with this one was have your bias good, but don't then go against your other principles, your other confluences, just because you like the way something looks. Only true trader, and you don't want to just take a little sneaky, even if it's one contract. No, no. You trying to be disciplined? I respect that. Never mind, I'll stop being the bad little voice that says, just do it. Dom, nice pullback and continuation. Wow. Hey, welcome back, Mr. K. It's really funny. Literally, it's essentially a 50-50 split between the bulls and the bears right now. Yeah, this is literally like a 50-50 split. Oh, that's what I wanted to say, and then I forgot. That's it. I remembered what I wanted to say. I wanted to say, for those of you that are new, I have decided to celebrate 8K, to celebrate 8K subs when we get there. Haven't hit 8K yet. When I do hit 8K, I will do a quote-unquote 24-hour, it's not exactly 24 hours, but a 24-hour stream where I stream essentially from Asia Open till New York close. Am I going to take lots of trades in that day? Probably not. Because again, let's not do silly-billy trades, but obviously if awesome setups present themselves, I will do it. Why not? But I thought, yeah, it could be fun. I don't know if it's ever been done before, but you know, why not? More. I think you're evolving daily. Seems like trading is becoming boring for you. I mean, I wouldn't say boring. I wouldn't say boring, but I'm getting more cool, calm, and collected about it. Maybe that's a better way of of wording it, because boring sounds bad. You have so many scalping setups. I only scalp stock forex. Seems pretty interesting. Adrian, I've been trading for a while, but still learning. It's been a rough journey. Yep. I'm actually more of a swing trader, but looking at intraday as well. Oh, interesting! How long is a while, though? Sorry, that sounds very nosy of me. You don't have to tell me if you don't want to. I'm just curious. Also market, I look at it, currencies, metal, indices, crude oil. I don't have just one market. Oh, damn. Okay, cool. How long did it take you to learn what I know about trading? So, Murta, I'm still new. I've only been trading since April. I still need to learn a lot. So I'm kind of hands off until this gives a yes or no for what it wants to do. So I'm hands off for now. Disgusting PA, yes. Just make sure to take a break from 10 PM 2 AM Asia session. Why? More? Out of curiosity. You're still waiting for a good low? Nasdaq is easy if you understand the structure. Yep, Mr. K, valid. Where's your, wait, as long as we below our pivot 25730, we bearish. Oh, where's your TP at, Mr. K? Also, I'm assuming you're more of a swing trader. Rip, sis. Morn, you said you would enter here. No. Hands off. Again, my little goose brain is going, I could very easily make this a stop entry like I did there. Been on and off for about 3 years or so, although this year I had a mentor, so my learning has accelerated. Oh, awesome! Adrian, what's your strategy of choice, if you will? 25430. Oh, sorry, Mr. K, you did tell me that earlier. Apologies. Okay, so you swing. Damn, how long have you been in? Nate, you took the trade this morning. Never mind. Hey, the bear, what's up? How you doing? Bad PA in this time zone. Trust me, I've traded it forever. Ah. Ooh, Rip got you. Nice. Well done, Rip. Oh, cheers, Jules. Enjoy. It swept. I did. I'm watching. Yes, I saw it took those highs, so now you think it's going to go back down. Wait. Only True Trader, was that your A++++ entry? Yeah, kids fishing, no stock, sorry. NQ did not, we're taking sell side liquidity. We can go ban for ban. Am I ban for ban? I want to touch grass, no one is making. I trade mostly supply and demand, but I'm learning to mix that in with fundamentals. Oh, interesting. I mean, so I do auction market theory mixed with ICT and SMC complemences. Kids fishing is definitely trending down. Wow. The mix is ridiculous. To make its next move. Am I live on YouTube only? Editing? No. No, I'm not actually. I'm live on a few things, believe it or not. So I'm doing nice. Since they correlated, ES will move NQ lower. I'm sitting and waiting. Maybe that's a silly thing to do, but I'm sitting and waiting for now. For me personally, I don't have enough confluences for this. I would literally just be trading off of, okay, you said it's going down, let's go down. I will have a day like that. Like I said, maybe... Wait a minute. No, that's cheeky. I was gonna say maybe on Friday, because I think Saturday is when the eval would reset if I blew my account. But in the same breath, I'm trying to get better. Hey, Dark Angel, what's up? How's it going? You got a good idea, but bad timing. That's valid. Don't worry, I've had a few of those. Same as during London. Do you want to see what my idea was for London? I was like, nah, this is going to drop down. So I had this trade set up. Well, I didn't have it set up, but this was my thinking. As you can see here, would have screwed me, and then this freaking drop would have happened. All about the timing. No one's ever wrong with regards to it's going up or down. I'm just saying it's how far up, how far down, when. I mean, technically, if you took a long here, yes, it went up. If you took a short here, yes, it went down. It's just when and how you read the markets, I guess, at the end of the day. Not gonna lie, this trade really good. Why am I getting all my great setups on days I'm not supposed to? That's how it always works, only true trade. It's like when I tried to trade gold. And on those days, gold was not great, but MNQ was amazing to trade. It's just not fair. Make me want to tear my feathers out for quack's sakes, what? That's it this morning out, it's utter trash, Pierre. Yeah, Dark Angel... I made a little bit of an oopsie with the loss. Technically my A+ setup was the buy going up. And it would have been a win. But it happens, right? Technically never a loss, always a lesson. I learned my lesson. And it's fine. Things I absolutely hate is that there are two quacking live streams and we're in different dimensions. Rip, are you good? Damn. Do you need a hug or something? Ranting in Donald Duck language. 100%, that's what's happening. I was 15 pips from your entry. Damn. You called that drop. Oh, nice. And you only trade order flow. Mr. K, interesting. Boom Banana, you like the shirt? Well, I mean, it's actually a dress. Believe it or not. My lines are definitely blurry in this. Mark 1, what's my win rate? 64%. How can you find ICT? Good, I can't understand you people. You failed Robin's Cup 4 times and you guys want to make money by I mean, I use some of his concepts, but I mean, if it works for you, it works for you. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Oh, thanks, Live. Moving on. You smash? Oh, thank you. You learn. Dress, no, I don't like it. Oh! Why don't you like it as a dress? That's mean. It's a, yeah. What's wrong with the dress? To be fair. Nah, never mind. I was gonna try for never mind. Gotta sit on my hands, wait for confirmation. I feel silly for that. Well, I mean, we're still in the green for today. $14. It is what it is. We continue. Maybe. Everything is free to only pay nothing. Anyways. I said with, you know. Boom banana, what's happening? Why are you being so mean? Look at Trent. Whoop. This? Wait, which way? I mean, it's... Is it coiling right now? Or whatever you want to call it. Everyone has different names. This is pure curiosity coming into play right now. Don't mind me. This, whoopsies. I'm just messing around. This is not a... Okay. Let's see what happens. Is it 10 yet? It was 10 a while ago. Maybe you should focus. Closing price there. Okay. Geordie, I'm done, not even gonna bother. Oh, hey Geordie, what's up? Geordie, I made an oopsie, but it's fine. I'm just cleaning right now, not gonna lie. Only true, I can see that. Yeah. Oh, some guy. What up? How are you doing? Be careful before if I know. Maya would make 20. Happy Wednesday. Well, I mean, I guess it's a break-even day for me today. Some guy. I had a win in London. I've had a loss now in New York. It is what it is. Dead range market a little bit. May induce you into a line before hunting that low. Autoflow doesn't lie. Rip, what did you say there? The quack is the X factor. I like that. I'm calling it the coil. Let's see. I want to see if it breaks out properly. My thinking is, if it breaks here, it's gonna break out properly. I could be talking absolute BS. Like I said, I'm checking something. But I like it being called the X Factor. That's hilarious. Some guy, how was family time, by the way? Hey Cyrus, what's up? And Benjamin. Lemon, I don't know what you're saying, but carry on. I think you're right, reject. It's gone. Alpha? What? What about no family time? I'm asking some guy. Now, if it closes solidly above, is it going to shoot up? Like I said, I'm messing around a little bit, sorry. Expect opportunity in the next hour. Oh, okay. That's how Powerpuff Girls are made. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. See, now I don't want to call it the X Factor. Now I want to call it the Powerpuff move. I low-key love the Powerpuff move. Go have fun, quack, quack, quack. Wait. Go have fun. Did you have a win? Is that why we are a quacking lucky duck right now? Yeah, good things. They were meant to go home yesterday eve, but flight was cancelled because of storm, so I got an extra evening with them. Aw, that's amazing, some guy. I think it depends. Do you like your family or not? You know. Okay, well, it didn't close properly outside of... Are we calling it the Powerpuff move? I kind of want to call it the Powerpuff move now. Kid fishing, you still say it's trending down. I sit and I wait now. Vladimir? Oh, goodness gracious. My name's Maya. What up? Can Can I put it on 1 hour? I certainly can, especially because I'm sitting on my hands. I'm going to just close all of this so that it's not too overwhelming. Wow. Now and then I really must close that so it's not. No, come Wi-Fi. Oh no, it's having a moment. I'm sorry. Yeah, it was a good thing. Oh, some guy I could not relate. Have I heard you talk to someone online? No. Yes, what do you mean? No, I don't like. Oh, damn, Alpha. I mean, don't worry, I get. Wake up. Come, Wi-Fi. Can we get a grip? Anyways. Well, I said, I mean, sure, some guy, as soon as there we go. As soon as the charts play ball, I can show you everything. Are you ready? Wow, this is garbage. Took out low, took out high, took out high. This is looking like some sad PA. Who remembers what sad is? Anyways, I'm gonna come up with the most random things and people are just gonna sit there being like, this girl is on all the weird things. Moving on. Markets tend to range before FOMC. Anyways. Wait, who are you answering? Rip? D-Smash? Your last message. Where's your last message? Last message! Last message! Where's D-Smash? Oh, wait. There we go. If only I had a mattress made of your voice, I'd sleep so much better. That is amazing. Well, I mean, D-Smash. Where do you... Oh, no, I did it again. I flipping did it again. I keep doing that. Okay, I reopened it. Nobody panic. It's fine. D-Smash, what I wanted to say is, where do you live, by the way? That might sound weird, but moving on. Let's go with this on fire. No! Hit them with the Mojo Jojo. Can see Ripper's bored. He's out here going, let's be as chaotic evil as possible. Okay. So reset. Wait. I mean, it's closed above the Powerpuff Girls now. Is it going to break out properly? Or not? Okay, so some guy. This one was a little bit my fault. I liked the looks of the short. But after I'd taken it, I realized that my 3 confluences were actually for a buy side. And it would have been an awesome win, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I know it's chaotic, I apologize. If I'd set this up for buy side, I don't know if you can see, but it would have perfectly wicked in and then essentially gone straight up for the win. You know, it happens. Never a loss, always a lesson. Listen to your confluences, right? And it's fine. This morning was a beautiful little win. I like this morning's little win. I just didn't put the correct amount of contracts in. So I actually should be more in the green, but I'm not, and that's fine. But yeah, you can see perfect wicken and then down. But anyway, that's today. What happened yesterday? Oh, yesterday, actually I didn't take any trades yesterday. And some guy, I can't remember, were you here on Monday? North Carolina. What time is it there? I mean, you could fall asleep. Oh, I don't know. Rip, do you remember the mayor with the phone who had the red nose? I do. Oh, some guy. Okay, let's go to Monday then. Good fishing. Where's that percentage B? You didn't like. It was confusing my brain a little bit. I still. Do I? Wait. Damn, have you been taking like a bunch of buy, sell, buy, sell? I mean, very interesting. So I see there would have been a sell. Like I said, I just haven't I haven't tested this. So I'm not going to use it yet until I back test it. There would have been a sell here. See, here it says buy. But on the charts, it's still going sell. Okay, to be fair, that was market open. I'm just gonna have to check it out a bit more properly. A bit more properly. That's not English. Sorry. Oh, right, guys, it's Christmas. Christmas tree. Come wakey wakey, please. Okay, while we wait for price to get a grip. Oh damn, it really is a bit of a break-even week. Monday I had a loss in London and a win during New York. Whee! So again, London was a perfect example of correct idea, wrong timing. Or wrong range. It depends on how you want to look at it, but literally ticked out and then straight down to where TP would have been. That was Monday's trade, but it had all the confluences, it just... And I was very quick to get in on this. So maybe that was the problem with this one. It was a tiny range and I was very quick to get in and I should have realized that it was wicking. So on this day, maybe a 4-hour strategy. Sorry, I'm talking a lot. I apologize. But anyways. Budema, I clean for chart up Budema. Everything I have on there is necessary though. Okay, I guess maybe these aren't anymore. But see, everything else, I can't delete the bob levels. The bob levels are eternal. So bob levels stay. I'm always curious with the first presented if they stay valid. But okay. But makes you happy, I'll delete these. Ta-da! But again, we still have bob level. Bob level stays valid. And NMOG stays valid, so it stays. This was a beautiful win. I really enjoyed Monday's win. Yeah, so sorry, some guy, that was a very long, long tour. Sorry. And that would have been a loss. Just putting it out there, that would have literally tapped me out. Oh, we're getting to the X. Does X mark the spot? Is it going to decide what it wants to do? Sorry. Sorry for the random flashback of all the trades that happened this week, but we were waiting anyways. Do you know you're in a sell? What up? Gotcha. You just got to remember not to buy in the middle of... True. Buy under, sell over. What did he smash? I do Hurricane Helen forced me to level up on trading. Nice! Oh! Rip, you so mean! Damn! You talk too much, shush, so annoying. You know what? You know what? I love you too, okay? Be quiet. Sometimes I don't apologize. It's a good thing you're talking through it. Thank you. 49 viewers, only 20. Don't forget to hit the like button. Oh, thank you. Yes. Guys, don't forget to like. Yes. Press that like button. There we go. Nailed it. English. Found it. Oh, it's fine. Man, request me. My mother made body product. Damn. That's rough. Okay. I still don't know why someone muted. Did I say anything bad? Hey, Rug. Were you muted? I don't know. Sorry. Apologies. Here's a tip. Try using the most recent session highs and lows. I do though. What do you mean the most recent session highs and lows? What if they've already been taken? So I did mark them out. See, here's London high. And London low was already taken. Is that what you're trying to say, Only True Trader? Imagine a streamer that talks how terrible. Cybertantrics? I mean, you got a valid point. Not even gonna lie. You got a valid point. That stuff's expensive. D-Smash, keep talking, it's soothing. Oh, thank you. Is it me or is it the background music? I feel like that background music's also very soothing. See guys, I can sit and do this for 24 hours. Apparently I can talk enough rubbish to keep going. How long has this been ranging for? Solid 30 minutes, honestly. Quick Fever, what's up? Why show these two setups? What do you mean, two setups? Hey Jules, welcome back, by the way. Did you get anything yummy from the shops? Sorry, I'm hungry. I'm saying about to invest in company of mist. I mean, again, Cybertantrics. Not the worst idea. Oh my greatness. Firm? Shush. Thank you, some guy. I see you. You got that. Oh, the only thing is she can't do is wow. So you can delete the other one. No, but those are still valid liquidity levels. Those stay valid liquidity levels forever. Right? Yes, I feel like that's correct. Oh, thanks, D-Smash. Kids fishing, where's the big drop at? Exactly. Wait, it's about to hit X marks the spot. Maybe this is the spot. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Then we're gonna do Powerpuff play for the win. Powerpuff. Yeah, Powerpuff. Strategy for the win. It's going down, guys. Guys, if this drops now on the X, I'm going to lose my mind. Yeah, a chalk brown. Oh, Jules. Literally, my tummy just went. Sorry, dropping down. Need a few. Oh, kid fishing. Ah, liar, pants on fire. Well, I mean, quick. No, never mind. I thought it was gonna start going down. Damn it. That would have been amazing. Anyways. I'm not profitable yet. I'm out here to be very open and honest about the whole situation. It's coming to get that money. Some guy on some guy, you started that and I was like, yeah, tell him. And then I read the second half of that and I was like, Rarach, Vadimur. No ways. Guys, it's going down. It's dropping. It's dropping right by the X marks the spot. It's happening! Oh my gosh, it's happening. Where's Geordie? Geordie's being awfully quiet. Geordie! Honey. Price either has to wait for value gap to drop or sweep these highs. It's a perfect excuse to never keep your mouth. It is. Exactly. Crick, no, I'm not. Seems like it's happening. The drop, you know? Yes. And on the X. Powerpuff move for the win. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. Guys, trading is so much fun. Oh my gosh. Trading is so much fun. That was... I couldn't have asked for anything better. That was amazing. Am I in this? No, but I'm so glad I got to witness this. Absolute mayhem. I'm glad that's why she's single. She's a streamer in London and New York, and in her free time, she's a... RIP, This tempted to put you on a 1-minute timeout for that one. I'm just saying. This tempted. Quick Fever? What? I did answer and the response is no. My guy, no! I'm not going to OnlyFans. You know, you miss 99% of the shots you don't take. No, that's true. That is valid. However, if I had attempted the short, I would have been taken out before it dropped down, which means I would have had 2 losses just before the shorts. That would have sucked. Hey, Yellow. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. So indices. It's all the tet. Thanks, Boom. Are we all... So is the Powerpuff thing gonna become a thing? I think it should become a thing. I love it. Happened on the X as well. I know I'm not in the short, but I'm so happy right now. The dogs. Celestial, what's up? Kids fishing, this is... You know what? If this weren't live, people would think this was scripted. How beautiful was that? I'm happy now. I don't even care that I had a little loss earlier. This is amazing. Hey, Serpent. What method do I trade? Well, I trade technically auction market theory using SMC and ICT. I know some people argue it's the same thing, whatever. I use SMT and ICT confluences. I'm talking really fast. I'm so sorry. I will slow down. And if I don't have a setup, I kind of forward test / low-key mess around because this is brilliant. No, that's wrong to say, but it is kind of forward testing. I was checking to see it went into a range, so I made this, and apparently X marks the spot. It just started melting at that level. Caught the short from 831. Ah, Mon. However, you say that. I would have gotten stopped twice. Oof, she dropped an 100% Bob, and it's fine. We're going to pre-recorded stream. Obviously, Celestial, obviously. The X Factor. No, it's the Powerpuff maneuver. Whoop whoop boom, well done. He's fishing, am I gonna long if it passes? I'm not sure. Everjon, well right now, I'm sitting and waiting, I guess. But welcome. This is the Nasdaq futures. Do day trading here. There's a lot of chaos. Today's just been a chaotic day. If it wasn't for Rip trying to murder me this morning and now this, just all this. Hi, can you tell what strategy you're using? Can you tell me I've made any video regarding your strategy? I've made a short regarding it, but it's not a very in-depth short. But I have made a little short about it. Rick Fever, can I teach you privately? I mean, teach you what? Dirk 5 Orp. I feel like I butchered that. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Scared letter buy the dip. Hey, Connie M, what's up? An F. And Jubbly. Cute. She didn't just say power. Yeah, Celestia. Oh, you missed the whole conversation. This is now called the Powerpuff strategy, and I'm all for it. It's a thing. Powerpuff strategy, let's go. HJK, do I trade London? I do. I trade both London and New York session, and when/if I reach 8k subs, I will do a 24-hour stream. Maybe I'm gonna regret my decisions, but I think it could be fun. So literally start Asia open and end New York close. Thank you, Samgang. My the ES trade hit my stop. Like your TP or your SL? Aren't I wasting time looking at a graph? No. If it breaks the middle low, go long. The middle low? Are you talking about, what are you talking about? Are you talking on the Bollinger Bands? I'm butchering how I say that. Oh, you could have caught short string London. HJK, I did. I had a win in London session. It was awesome. Somebody subscribe quickly. Teach Maya puff trade celestial. That's brilliant. Beautiful drop. It was 25430 TP. Guys, my day has been made. Today has been such a fun stream. Both London and New York has been so fun. I know, yeah, trading wise, me, but it's just been so funny. That would have been the entry for that short, but again, me was consolidating. It taken out this, however, it still has not taken out New York. Look, it hit the order block on ES and it's respecting the order block. So is it just going to retest, or is this a bounce back up? Now that is the question. Let's see. 1, 2. This does theoretically have 3 confluences. However, it did just take out some external liquidity. Well, I say external. Yeah. Which means it could retest further. Only true trader, no! Did you take the trade though? Oh, good, okay. 24-hour stream. Would you have a max loss limit for stream or just go crazy? HJK, I mean, I don't know if I would... Yeah, I don't even know if I would do that many trades. I would only wait for my A+ setups, basically what I do. Like, for example, yesterday I didn't even get a trade in because there was just nothing great. But I guess, yeah, there should be a max loss level here. Or I just time it that it's around the time that if I do blow the eval, it just gets reset the next day. Could always do that, right? This one? Is it wanting to go level to level? Sorry, I'm trying to make up my mind, if you will. Bit of a retest. What does it look like on ES? Wonder if I take the short. Kids fishing, you think go long. The Mojo Jojo setup, there we go. Heyo, dumb, double floor and moon? What's happening? Oh, double floor and to the moon. Sorry, that took me a minute. Which is just a little range and it's sweeping the lower range and now in theory should rotate back to the high. This is seek and destroy till FMOC. So basically, if it's seek and destroy, absolutely nothing I do will work. For my strategy setup, at least. trails run was sells, internal buy run, but failed to run low with strength. Can consolidate. Ah, okay. Celestial, so me. Have a look at the middleman candle on the daily first bearish candle. It's the confirmation in true. Ah, Mr. K. Okay, wait, I'm gonna copy paste this. What is today? Just mark that so I can go back and have a double look, if you will. So you can read this during straight after and then do the real move. I'm off. Good luck. Trade safe. Oh, thanks, Celestial. Enjoy. Yeah, it is FOMC, so again, if I don't get any more trades in, it's not the end of the world. It is what it is. I am technically in the green for the day. By $14, guys. Drinks on me. Clearly. Ching on the Solana short. Hey, D-Snash! Whoop whoop, that's amazing! Well done! Well done to you! That is so cool. You have a point though, if it is doing seek and destroy, not search and destroy. If it's doing the sad movements, we don't want to be part of it. The sad is das. And that's not good. He fully understood Japanese I'm sorry, Japanese secret candles? Mr. K? Yep. Okay, moving on. I see there's drama starting. Anyways, Maya, these are the type of day you journal all your trades and see how the next FOMC does. You'll see it. So typical for this. Oh, thanks, Only True Trader. Like I said, the good setup that I technically had was back there, but it is what it is. Stuff happens. And you learn from it. Thanks, fam. You guys are my new amigos. That's amazing. B-Smash, welcome, welcome. I'm so modest in my trades. What do you mean by modest? Is that a good or bad thing? I like to think modest is a good thing, but some people might not mean it as a good thing, so just confirming. Is that a yay or nay on the good thing? Islam's World? Is Islam's World? Yes, hi, how you doing? And Jean, Noel, Reynard, what's up? How you doing? Smash. Oh, yeah, but 4 AM. Oh, you're asking D-Smash. I was like, what are you saying smash to? Modest and trading is safe. Oh, okay, cool. But that's a good thing, though. So I don't think you lost trades because of your strat, just low prob. No, thanks, Only True Trader. I appreciate it. Hey, beloved AI-generated trader. I wish. I would do a lot differently if I was AI-generated. My goodness, I would change my hair color every day. But also, hey, the tutor, what's up? How you doing? Not many of us here that trade crypto. I think it's pretty much just me. These guys are mostly on ES and NASDAQ. Oh, some guy. I love that. I am going to start calling it NASDAQ, and I'm going to annoy a bunch of people by calling it NASDAQ. Protect the capital. Say it with me. Yep. Years ago, I traded like that. Traded like how? Which one? Hey, boiled potato! I'm a potato. Sorry. It's the first thing that popped into my head when I read that. But in fact, my account is actually... Some guy, you are forever going to be salty about that, aren't you? You and Rip. Never, ever, ever going to live that down. Okay, let's see what it does here. I do agree, this price action's just ass. Okay. Oh, I wanted to check something. Don't mind me. Oh, Wi-Fi is not gonna love me doing this, but we're gonna go check this out quick sticks. I want to see how far I am from potentially doing a 24-hour 24-hour live. Don't know if it's a good idea or a bad idea, but either way, it will be fun. Four seven. 447. Oh my gosh, we're nearly at 7.5. Okay, so we need like 500 more subs. Well, 550 more subs. And then 24-hour stream. Here we go. Hitting resistance probably going down again. Back into that bob level. Maybe this would have been a winning trade. Like I said, it had my 3 confluences. I didn't hate it, but it is FOMC. It feels a little bit unpredictable and not worth it, and the probability rip is low, so why mess around with it? You know, duck around and find out. And we don't want to be a silly goose. We want to be lucky ducks. How hard is it? Come on, some guy. Wow. Softball, hey! Aw. Green Day will poop at a red light, so no more comments for me for a while. Oh, softball, that's okay. Anyways, this is probably going down again. Hey Kevin, what's up? Sorry, I'm having such good laughs at the drama going on today. So much drama. Real. Put more contract. Dom, if it comes back to your zone. Are you still going for longs, Dom? I'm thinking the next 3 days are possibly lower, like below 25k. But take one day at a time, not trading at the moment. Working. Ah, hey Chris Witcher. How are you doing, by the way? Some guy honk, yes. Indeed. Honk indeed. Okay, so I don't even think this would have been at 1-to-1 yet. Let's see. I did not take this trade. Southpaw, I don't know if you can hear me, but if you can, it is a green day, but it's actually technically a break-even day. I had a win this morning on London and unfortunately a little loss. Now, okay, so this would have been mitigate risk by half, which is there. Maybe this would have been a win. Again, FOMC, sugar honey iced tea. Anyway, you know when I start speaking Afrikaans. I can listen to your learnings all day. Hard to get back to work. D-Smash, are you working right now? I use some ICT confluences, Rashad. Dom, are you... Wait, I can't stop you being serious. Really? Are you an actual really? A magician? Hey, Engel. How are you doing? Welcome, by the way. How are you doing? Oh, man. Pooey. Oh well, it is what it is. A loss, and I went against what my strategy said I should have technically done. That's on me. I didn't take this one, even though I did say it had 3 confluences, and I didn't hate it. But it's FOMC, so it's a bit risky. How annoying. Okay, so that would have been a win. Cool. And it's now taken out New York low. It's gonna go down to 540. Most likely, I think it's probably gonna go down to 540. No, why did you do that? There. The problem is this feels like FOMO. This feels like thing. And a little bit of revenge trading, which is bad. We can't do that. We don't do that. Sorry, can you see I'm trying really hard to work on my discipline? It's so difficult. It's so hard. To not be a silly goose and try and do silly billy things. Okay, but again, more like I said, I would have been tagged up twice. I would have had 2 losses. I did have 1 loss. The second trade would have been a second loss before the short. So there I would have actually made nothing. Get ready for smart money reversal. So I can't take trade. It never goes against my strategy because I removed the worst part, me. Oh, interesting. It's just, well, yeah. You are your own worst enemy when it comes to this honk. Thanks, some guy. Appreciate it. I was running off the road when I thought I heard you say that you're doing a 24-hour stream right now. No, Southpaw, no. At 8k subscribers, so what, I think we need like 550 more subscribers, so still potentially a while to go. Get fishing, we're gonna get more snow Friday. Dom, you're still long, Dom? Damn, where's your freaking stop loss at? That is ridiculous. What the heck, man? Yeah, no, Southpaw, sorry, not some guy. Southpaw, I will make sure that when I do the 24-hour one, I'll most likely do it on a Friday so that I can sleep in for the weekend. Number 1. Number 2, you would definitely see me here with a lot of coffee. And probably, like, just, yeah. Whenever you want more than happy to show you on India. Look at my framework to time entries easier. Did you get in on this train, Morn? Where did you get in? So keep going at this rate. It's about 2.5 weeks till 18 cents. So just some time for Christmas. Can be the Christmas special. Gonna have to wear my Christmas onesie with my my Santa earrings. Oh, I keep forgetting about my Santa earrings. I need to put them on. Deviation between me calling P and the entry based on my confluences. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Coffee and snacks. Ooh, snacks. I mean, it is a Friday, so I would be allowed to snack. I'll just have to make sure it's something easy and quick and small to chew. So number 1, I don't nearly die. Wait, nearly dying this morning. Actually, I said Discord, Rip even posted of me nearly dying. That was fun. It was entertaining. Taking my secure payout today and resetting tomorrow. Nice, Morn, well done. Oh, true, you did mention that. I'm sorry, you did mention. Jesse Minor, what's up? What's my strategy? So I have quite a, man, if it had gone a little bit higher up, it was the correct idea then, it just didn't. It hit this shelf before going back down. I did say, where was this? I did say I liked this entry. Oh, I wouldn't have even tagged in there, never mind. Either way, I wouldn't have been tagged in, but it hit the bob level, so it's gonna go back up again to the next bob level. Okay. That can probably be deleted now. Sorry. Completely off track and off topic. I'm keeping that up because it's hilarious. What were we talking about? Oh, my strategy. My strategy. Super, super basic. Super simple. It's essentially market auction theory, but I use ranges. So I can show you this one would have been a win. You can see this one was a loss. But I made an oopsie. You know, but you live and you learn. So I would have used this range. No, which range did I use? Was not that range. I did use the higher range because it took out the low. Yep. This range, 50% would have been entry for a short down. And yeah, as you can see, would have tapped in, gone down. Obviously, there's a little bit more that goes into it. The confluences, as I said, they are wrong range because it took out a low. So you know if it's taken out a low, use a higher range because it's going to potentially have a bigger pullback. Yeah. Sorry, that was super quick, super basic explanation. A good 6 teeth? Dom, did I what? What does it mean? What does 6 teeth mean? What's happening? I'm getting smash go riding trails in mountain. No, I don't. I do not like riding bikes. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for that. I'm not a fan. I will happily run, walk, ride a horse, cycling. No thanks. Oh, cheers, some guy. Catch you tomorrow. Thanks, some guy. Appreciate it. For contracts, while I trade the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. Why is Geordie saying I am a man? Oh, hey, Chris. He was just messing with you for fun. Hey, my quick question. I've recently got into a daily series of trading 100k challenge. Yeah, and Cams, what's up? Freezing up my end. I closed out my app, but it keeps freezing up. Aww. Sorry, Southpaw. I mean, it could be me. Am I lagging? It's possible it's me lagging. Am I lagging, everybody? What do you think best way to grow my account is? Kamsi, you have to carry on going. At the end of the day, I think that's it. You just have to carry on pushing through. Unfortunately, there's no quick and easy way. Believe me, I know. I've tried. I say I've tried. Yeah, there's just no quick and easy way. How long have you been going for, Kamsi? Tell you the worst, not using a stop loss. Wow. You smash enjoy, expecting my reversal within this 30 minutes. Well, it's now hit the level I wanted it to. Ugh, man. I feel a bit bummed, but it is what it is. Don't expect much from FOMC days, right? That one was whoopsies, that one was my fault. That would have just sucked before drop. It's fine. Anyways, Rip, how's the coffee going? You still... Well, have you finished your coffee? Did you? What's happening? Did something happen? I feel like something's happened. Did I just yeet you out of the vertical, Rip? Are you ready to jump? What do you mean ready to jump? Hey, Steven! How you doing? Oh, why? Why are you ready to jump from a cliff, Rip? What happened? Damn, are you okay? That sounds bad. Give me a second. I think it's pouring outside. I'm quickly gonna check something. Okay, well, it's not pouring, it's just raining. No. I mean, in terms of my content on social media, apart from the series. I've been training for 4 years, became profitable this year, small account, but big. Ooh, so cool. Ooh, hiccups. Kamzy, you're more than welcome. Here we go, Kamzy. I don't know if you have Discord. Give me a second. Discord. To anyone that's new that wants to join, more than welcome to. Just don't be weird. If you're weird, you get banned. Just saying. But if it's Kamzy and you want to pop me a message, we can discuss. I used a stop loss and blew my. I'm sorry, what? You used a stop loss. How did? I'm now. You used one or you didn't use a stop loss and blew your account, Rip? Oh, Chris, I told you he was just messing around. I'm from South Africa. Do I speak Afrikaans? Do you know I can understand Afrikaans? I'm not great at speaking it. I sound really bad when I speak it, but I can. Praat net so bikkie, want ja. Been in drawdown 2 weeks, caught 6% today, and I'm up 2% up now. I'm holding. Ooh, whoop whoop, Kamzy, that's amazing. Do I believe in the smart money reversal now? Well, it's kind of going Bob level, so I want to say yes. I think it's gonna go back up to 612. Wait, Rip, please send me the trade. What happened? I don't even understand how that happened. Frick Fever, welcome back. How you doing? Oh, I was about to say. I was like, no, you would never. You've got me all concerned for you, Rip. Damn. Please don't go jumping off a cliff. Who's gonna teach me? Well, yeah, but don't go jumping off a cliff. Is this the reversal? Ah, oh, that lovely rain smell. I love it. Quick Fever, I use market auction theory. Sorry, this just kind of sucks now. It's now taken out that low. Essentially market auction theory using ICT and SMC confluences to confirm my setup. Okay, what level do you think this is gonna go up to? Morn? Yes, this was the new program. Hey, Jules. What, for it to be long now? Jules, how are your trades, by the way? Were they whoop whoop? Previous weekly high. Damn, okay. You use SMC. Oh, nice. And how is it working for you? Hey, Jules, whoop whoop, that's amazing. Well done. It compresses the time aspect of the price. Okay. I'm gonna give this. I might end it a little bit early today. Just, yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna actually trade today with FOMC. That being said. Not enough confluences for that one. Little tap into first presented. Is it gonna respect it at all? Nope. Referring to the guy that doesn't okay, got it, Rip. I was about to say, I was like, nah, you would never. Okay, I ruined Rip's joke. I'm so sorry, damn. And I'm being yelled at again. I feel like every day I get yelled at. Hey, Mike, what's up? How you doing, Mike? I think. Oh. Okay, anyways, moving. What's the drama? Good grief. They're fun. Tricky day, 2 times 800 and 1,000. Currently up with 650 in the current trade. Hey, whoop whoop, Jules, that's amazing. I'm assuming you're in the long, right? I thought, am I married? No, I'm not. What is happening today? The market reverse every time I enter. Oh no, user, I'm so sorry. FOMC, I guess, and also I guess it depends on what strategy you have. What strategy do you have? Mike, you're great. That is amazing. How old's your son? Kids fishing? Now I'm kind of curious. Oh, gosh. Ah, so much drama. All the drama. I'm pretty sure this would have hit my stop loss if I tried a short. Yep, right by it. Okay. I do not like FOMC days. At all. I'm saying that just because I'm salty. This morning was nice. If you ever decide to come to NC, let me know. Absolutely, D-Smash. Keep the Discord for weekly order flow. Thanks, Morn. I'll have a look now. July. With how the week will end. Quick, I always fail to control myself, my emotions. It's hard, man. I'm not gonna lie. It's really, really hard. It's not easy. Boom, why didn't I take what? I was looking at a potential short. Yeah, there's nothing for me to take. It hasn't gone back in, hasn't done anything. I missed this potential trade. That one I don't have much of an excuse for. I should have taken that one. Kamzi, how old am I? How old do I look? Standing on at 125, getting out at 150. Jules, do you have TPs, or do you just wait till it gets a certain amount or to a certain area and then you call it? How do you do it? In the politest way. Kamzi, you cute. Am I purely futures? I also do forex pairs metal. Oh, Alex, sorry, I've just been doing the futures. T-Smash? Oh, thank you. I've missed I missed something. Anyways, the drama. Sure. Who needs to watch soap operas? How you control yourself, your emotions. I just have my rules and I go with it. To be fair, I think that's the only way to do it. Just have your rules, stick with them, and then win or loss. I think it's why I'm kind of upset with this one. I didn't really stick with my rules for this one. Did I? I lie. I lie. I did have my 3 confluences for this one. That one just meh. It 614. Oh, it's so close. Ooh, okay, cool, Jules. Quick Fever, best price to short here. I don't know about that one. When it ends up like this, it's my gross. You gotta, you know, you get used to Rip. Mad love. You get used to him. He's quite scary. He's shouted at me plenty of times. It's really mean. Jules, has it taken you out yet? Hey, stop, Chase. What you doing? Well, just Chase, I know. But how you doing, Chase? How's it going? Most happy to expand your ICT knowledge. You will learn soon. Auction market theory in ICT is Pure 3 AMD combined with ICT concepts in your line on a framework. More definitely. I need... Like I said, time is a bit of an enemy. But, I mean, we might have plenty of time when and if the 24-hour stream happens. It's gonna be good. Jules, hey, whoop whoop, Jules! Amazing, well done, winning. 30ish, I would say you look good. Oh, thanks, Kamzy. 27, so close. Not bad, took a pretty quick loss, just moving on tomorrow. I did, Chase. I had a win this morning and a loss now during New York, unfortunately. So I'm still in the green by like $14. I think, you know, that counts as amazing. Green is green. I'm trying to be optimistic here. Green is green. Be careful of spikes up and down with fundamental. Yeah, Mr. K, I think FOMC is a pain in the bum, but it is what it is. I don't know why I said it like that, but it's fine. You started in July? Oh, flip, Morn, you have told me that. Wow. Way to make me feel bad. Thanks, Morn. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. That is amazing. That is so amazing. Well done, Morn. Still shopping around waiting for the Fed announcement. Hey, Knox! What have you been doing? How's everything going? Sorry, I got way too excited there. How are you? It can drop deep here. Crick, you think so? I don't even want to take a guess. Morn thinks it's going to continue back up, right? Right, Morn? This is just going up, up, and away right now. Hey, Joy of Travel. What's up? How are you? MZ, 2 years older than me. How long have I traded and at what point profitable? It took 6 months doing in-depth Q&A with someone who has gone through it. I have not. Oh, true. Morn, I guess. That's valid. Kamzy, sorry. How long have I been trading? I've only been trading since April, so I'm still new. I'm still new at this. Not profitable yet. I'm putting it out there. This is a very open and honest stream channel with regards to trading. I'm not profitable yet. I'm not here to pretend like I am either. I'm still on an eval account, but I need to touch wood real quick. I have not blown the eval account for like the past 2 months, which is really good for me. So that's amazing. So I'm pretty confident in saying I'm at a break-even level at least, which is good. Most recent thing I've learned, oh my gosh. There's so many. I learn things on a freaking daily. I think the one thing that really clicked and I love, that one's pretty cool. Please, this dash sounds like I'm from the mountains. But definitely not from the mountains. Direction is always direction, but volatility will make you scared. I mean, Mr. K, yes. Yes, it would. But I mean, yeah, I think swing traders can hold for a bunch of stuff. Nox, yeah, it's fine though. Yeah. It would have been better to take a long. It actually would have been a win taking a long. But, you know, it happens. Right, Nox? It happens. But Nox, how have you been, by the way? I had a win this morning. Like I said, I'm technically in the green. I'm up $14 today. See, Rip just yelled at me again. Damn, I saw that. So, okay. I'm pretty sure I've asked you this, but I'm going to ask again. The 9:30 is valid for the whole New York session, correct? And then I can delete it? Rip? I'll try and check that. Grab fun. Hi, am I back in a trade? No, I'm not, sorry. Sure, what's up? Okay. Oh, well, it's been over the 10 minutes that I gave. I'm curious about this 9:30 range now. Oh my gosh, every time I'm like, I think I'll call it here for today. Something happens and I'm like, no, wait, let me see. Let me see what happens next. There was no way for an entry for me for the long, unfortunately. It looks... Morn, well done. Yeah, you definitely called this long at the perfect time. Mr. K. 2 weeks of holding, that is ridiculous. Well done. I don't think I would ever have that freaking strength. Do you sit and watch it the whole day? Do you move your stop loss? What's your thing? Or is it literally you set it and you forget it and you just don't look back? Did this stream stop, by the way? I feel like this stream ended. Oh, it did. Oopsies. That makes sense. That's why a bunch of you got muted. Or sorry, I see that other stream ended. Oops. You'll get there. I was previously funded with 10k but lost it after 2 payouts. I'm now on 100k evil, but I'm glad I lost it because it made me up. Camzy, that's exactly it, right? It's never a loss, always a learning or lesson. Sorry, not a learning curve. It also works. Go have fun. Are you in anything, by the way? Market is dark. Try thinking criminal. Sadly, it works instead of where to make money. Think of where to take it. Stop there. I know you do I trade gold? I do not trade gold. Sorry. I do not trade gold. Well, no, I say that. I have had a look at gold before. I've had a look at gold before. Haven't traded it though. No, I lie. I did like 2 trades in the gold, but you know, naturally on those days, MNQ was amazing and gold was rubbish. It's just always like that. Oh well. Subscribe. Very fast for starting this year. That's... Oh, thanks, Camzy. That's awesome. Jules Wild, what's wild? Frick, gold is crazy. Why? What is gold doing? What did gold do? Okay, went back into this range. Now getting a little bit stuck. I'm giving it a few more minutes, but anyways. I mean, theoretically, this didn't exactly bounce that far. But it is FOMC before, well, before FOMC. It's the markets before FOMC. I think whatever's going to happen at FOMC is going to be crazy. Can someone please post the crazy candles on Discord? I'm super curious to see what FOMC does. I don't think so, because we'll look at that with you down a big bias and see your stuff manipulated. I mean, Kidfishing, do you have a level? Sorry, I'm now asking out of curiosity. I know I'm kind of stumbling into a little bit of a thing going on here, but do you have like an amount in mind, and if it reaches that amount, you just close your setup. Like I risk 200 per trade, so let's say you don't set a stop loss, but when it hits 200, you just close out, so you don't potentially lose more. What about Bitcoin? Absolutely not, Crick. Sorry, that's a little bit too volatile for my liking. But Crick, there's some guy's left now. Some guy trades Bitcoin. And up we go still. Wouldn't have come far enough down on there. So no end. Okay. I'm probably gonna call it there, guys. Trust me, take your time, save your money for EV, practice on live markets, build your routine. Yeah. I know, Jules. I know there's theoretically no rush. No, I say theoretically, there is no rush. Gotta just, you carry on learning, carry on carrying on. It was most definitely a break-even day today, but still ended in the green. I'm gonna be positive. Still ended in the green, up $14. You know, I need to calm down, a big spender. There we go. Now, wasn't that nice? But I'm gonna call it there for today, guys. That was interesting. It's fine. One loss because I sold where I should have bought. That's fine. And a missed trade because of FOMC. I didn't trust it to not go all the way back up, which is also valid for FOMC days. Sorry, I'm talking myself through this. Adios. When it's a good time to recheck your channel. Ah, well, D-Smash, I'm on every London and New York open. Yeah, so 3 a.m. EST time and 9:15 EST time. I am live every day. Not the weekends, obviously, but Monday to Friday. I am live twice a day. Yeah. So I guess it depends on whatever times work best for you. Now, awesome. Just watching charts. Oh, nice. Go have fun. Okay. If you stick to your rules, it was a successful day. Oh, you know what, Jules? When you're right, you're right. 100%. Okay, but I love you guys. Maddie, thank you for joining. Please don't forget to like the stream. Again, thanks, guys. You guys are amazing. I really, really appreciate the support and the love. Yeah, I will be back tomorrow. London session. Please post what happens on the news time. I'm kind of on the news time, you know, during FOMC. I'm kind of curious to see what the charts do. I'm gonna be there going, oh my gosh. Okay, but I love you guys madly. Have an amazing day, evening, night, middle of the night, depending on where you are. I will be back tomorrow. Yeah, okay. I love you guys so much. Bye.